to meet the specifications, we took some of the steel framing that the chairs were actually bolted to, which were then bolted into the floor here, cut them off and then welded them into the frame of the bus, so to the main bulkhead of the bus. The framing of the bus is about 3 mil. These pieces are about 4 or 5 mil. So I'm working on putting the heaters back on in the bus. We were going to put them under the seats, but only one will fit. So basically that involves clamping off the hoses so that we don't lose any radiative fluid, putting the floor down, making the connections and passing the hoses back up through the hole. What you have is the heater's got a drip tray under it, which is recessed into the floor. Where we were able to put the seat mountings was between two frames, and that area is a little bit narrow, which means that I have to raise the heater a little bit. I've cut out this little spacer. The heater will go on top of that, and that will allow us to mount it in the right spot and connect it up. Okay, so that's what the hole looks like for the heaters. The heater will sit in there like that. This will be all boxed in around the seat. There'll be a vent here, and probably one on the other side as well, just to ensure that the inlet gets enough air as well. Okay, so these are the frames of the seats bolted through the timber floor into the steel brackets that we've created. I've also taken the covers off the seats and washed them. It's an interesting process. They're held on by what's called hog rings. They're little wire rings that are fixed to these rods of wire or steel that run through the foam. So I put the seat covers and everything through the washing machine, and as you can see, they've come up pretty nicely. They're pretty robust, and before they were stained red from all the bull dust, but they've come up pretty nicely. So we'll be putting them back on, and hopefully we won't have to do any new seat covers. I also had the engineer come and inspect the work that we've done. He seemed to think it was okay, but of course, until they put it on the hoist and have a look, you never know.